How's it going? Well, here's another original mile, unrestored Survivor. An absolutely beautiful 1994 Jeep Wrangler YJ. One owner, clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, 92,000 original miles, came out of Prescott, Arizona. Original books included and all keys. 2.5 liter, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. All original paint and interior. Absolute a gem of a Jeep. Outstanding paint, plastic, all the trim is excellent. Michelin tires all the way around. It's never had a lift kit in it. Doesn't have aftermarket wheels or tires. Original hardtop. No paint work. Perfectly straight. Not even any door dings. Came from a 85-year-old gentleman who bought it brand new in '94 when he retired. It's been garage kept ever since. And from what I can see, and from what I was told, it was never off-road. Interior is excellent. The only thing the interior needs, and we just ordered it, is the correct door pull, if you see right there. This is the correct one right here. This is what's coming in for it. It'll be in a couple days, and it'll be on the vehicle before it sells. All original dashboard, nothing cracked, nothing broken, nothing worn out. Excellent floors, original floor mats. Yeah, they're a little worn out, but they saved the rug. Does have an aftermarket radio because it came with no radio from the factory. It is a Clarion radio with a cassette player. Imagine that. And it does function and work well and comes with a remote. Cigarette lighter works. Never been used. The gentleman was a non-smoker. Ashtray, perfect. Heating and cooling all functions as it should, as does all the gauges. Excellent back seat and carpeting as well. Rear floor mats. Rear window wiper, which I think was still an option in '94, so that may be one of the few options this vehicle has. And the back up here. Fold and tumble seat. You can see the picture. All the carpet on the wheel wells are excellent. You can see nothing's been abused or worn out. It even still has the cover, which I have to reattach, that covers the plug for the rear window wiper and goes right there. It's missing a screw. I got to put a screw back in it and put it back on. Bucket seats are excellent, as is the interior, dashboard, shifter boots, 4-wheel drive lever, all that stuff, and it all functions flawlessly. Even has the original temporary spare, which is surprising. Let's get the hood open on this beauty. We'll fire it up, and you can see how it runs. It runs absolutely perfect. We're going to crank it up and listen to it run. 2.5 liter fuel injected 4-wheel drive. Everything functions as it should. Engine compartment is absolutely spotless. We gave it a light detail and cleaned it up, but that's all it needed. It didn't need anything major at all. I used to sell these trucks brand new, And this looks as good as a brand new one. Under the hood as well. A little bit of surface rust right here near the battery mount. Not uncommon. On the battery tray, but not rust, just a little surface rust. That's all it is. All the labels are still in place. Amazing. It runs absolutely perfect, no issues, no problems. Let's rev her up a little bit. I can reach my hand in here. Smooth and quiet. No smoke, no strange noises, little condensation, that's about it. Quite a time capsule. Well, there you have it, folks. One of the cleanest Jeep Wrangler YJs you'll probably find on the market today, and it's never been messed with. Look at some of the pictures. Check out our post on our website at rpmotorcars.com. There's about 50 or 60 pictures of this car on there, linked down below in the description. I mean, you can even look inside the wheel wells, all original paint, and there's photographs of that and the underside of the truck as well. Please like what you see. Subscribe to our channel. It really helps get all the views out there, all the videos out there for people to see. We update weekly with new vehicles that do come in. rpmotorcars.com, rpmotorcars.com, 623-764-5897. Thanks and have a wonderful day.